Hey guys, David from Truck City Ford in Buda, Texas, across from Cabela's. You know, there's a rumor going around saying if you're looking for a truck, you come see me at Truck City Ford in Buda, Texas. The other rumor is if you want to enjoy the process, have it be easy, you come to Truck City Ford in Buda, Texas. Well, I want to clear everything up. That's not a rumor. That's just how we are. We have trucks. We have utility vehicles. We have Jeeps. And you know what else we have? More trucks. So, if you want to buy a truck, whether it's Ram, Ford, Chevy, Ford, Toyota, or a Ford, come to Truck City Ford in Buda, Texas, across from Cabela's. We're here to make this process easy and pleasant because we want you to automatically think we're the place to come. As for David, Truck City Ford, truckcityford.com. We're here for you.